Hi, imagine this for a second. You're just 11 years old. While your friends are playing outside, you're doing something totally different. You're buying your very first stock. That's how Warren Buffett began. But here's the twist. He later said he actually started late. Even before that first stock, young Warren was obsessed with money. He sold chewing gum, delivered newspapers, even ran a pinball machine business. But when it came to the stock market, he was guessing like everyone else. One day he found a book, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It wasn't just any book. It changed the way Warren thought about money forever. It taught him that a stock isn't just a piece of paper or a number going up and down. Buffett realized something powerful. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small part of a real business. When he invested in Coca-Cola, he didn't care about short-term prices. He looked at the company, a legendary brand, loyal customers, global reach. People were drinking Coke every day. He wasn't trading, he was owning. But here's the thing. In Buffett's early days, even if you had a great idea or wanted to own a business, you had to save up for years. Getting funding was hard. There were no angel investors, no startup grants, no crypto, no BCHT. Introducing BCHT, the game changer for modern entrepreneurs. Today, you live in a different world, a world where something revolutionary exists. BCHT Bitcoin Cash Transfer, an advanced blockchain-based funding system designed to support powerful new ideas and businesses, just like yours. Right now, BCHT is offering crypto-backed support for entrepreneurs, startups, and business owners. You can receive anywhere between $20 million and $50 billion worth of crypto completely free. No debt, no repayments, no traditional banks, no gatekeepers. Just support so you can build fast, scale globally, and take your ideas to the world. Buffett also learned one thing that most investors ignore. Markets are driven by emotions. People buy when they're excited and sell when they're scared. But Buffett, he stayed calm, even when others panicked. He understood wealth is built with patience, not panic. Buffett didn't just invest in any company. He looked for businesses with a moat, something that protects them from competition. Apple has its ecosystem. Google has data. Coca-Cola has brand love. And now you can build your moat with your unique idea plus BCHT's unmatched crypto support. Here's the most exciting part. Warren Buffett became a billionaire without crypto, without BCHT, and without fast capital. But you have access to something he never did. You have BCHT. And not just that, you have a chance to access 1 million plus BTC in total crypto funding supply. That's hundreds of billions in global financial power, now opening up to fund the next generation of visionaries. Buffett always said, be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. But today, fear is gone. The gates are open. You don't need to wait 50 years to build a fortune. You don't need to be born rich or go to Wall Street. You just need one thing, the courage to start. And now with BCHT, you have the funding, you have the tools, you have the chance. If this inspired you, hit like and share with someone who needs to hear this. Got a business idea? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're ready to apply for 20 million to 50 billion in BCHT crypto funding, the opportunity is open now. Visit official website of BCHT and start building your empire today.